Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. It is Tuesday, the 29th of July, and it's going to be a hot one today. We're looking at highs reaching the middle to upper 90s across eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. Actually, it wouldn't shock me in the least if somebody gets up to 100 degrees before it's all said and done. And we've got one more day of dealing with this until we have this next cold front that's going to be coming on Thursday, and it's going to change things for Friday and the weekend with a new, beautiful, dry, cooler air mass. In the meantime, up and down the eastern seaboard, there's not a whole lot going on today. Check out the satellite loop this morning. We've got a few storms moving out of Wisconsin and into northern Illinois, and that's borne out by the radar. Not anything particularly intense. We did have severe weather last night in Minnesota and Iowa. That's what's moving along to the east. And in the meantime, in the east, the radars are very quiet, just about no precipitation. That goes from Maine all the way down to Florida, with a few minor exceptions in South Carolina and points there offshore. We should point out that the Storm Prediction Center for tomorrow has a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms across much of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, into upstate New York and into southern and central New England. It would be for the idea of isolated severe thunderstorms that might occur during the afternoon and evening hours. And if you don't get a severe storm, you might get a general thunderstorm. Overall, I think they're going to be scattered in nature. But meanwhile, hot and humid today, and hot and humid tomorrow again with temperatures in the 90s. And then in the afternoon and evening, as an upper trough swings on through and a weak frontal boundary, we could see some showers and storms. Again, they'll be scattered. Now, this is where it gets a little busier, and we're talking about during the day Thursday night into Friday morning. Front approaches, wave develops on that front, and we've got to wait for the wave to go by for the cool, dry air to the north to come in. And that means that we could see rain and thunderstorms and some heavy downpours later Thursday night into the first part of Friday. And I think this could be a substantial rain producer with the potential that we could see some flash flooding. WPC, the Weather Prediction Center, has a 15 to 40% chance or a slight risk for flash flooding. And this would be for Thursday into Friday morning from northeastern North Carolina all the way up to Rhode Island, and that includes Long Island. So we'll be watching how this develops. Ultimately, we're going to get into that cool, dry air for later Friday and for this coming weekend.